Standard first, subject maths. Hello students. Today we are going to learn about the topic collection and representation of data. In this topic, today we are going to learn how to count and represent data. What is the meaning of data? Making groups of the same objects, counting the number of objects in the group and filling that information in the table is called data. Meet Bubbly and her mother. Bubbly asking her mother, "What are you doing?" Mother replied, "I am checking that which vegetables are left and how many are left." Bubbly said, "I will also help you." Mother said, "Okay Bubbly, come on. First of all, we group the vegetables and then we count them and then we write their numbers." See, number of cabbage is 1 over here. So we write 1 in front of cabbage. In the same way, we have to count the remaining vegetables and write the number against it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 green chilies. So we write 5 against the green chili. Carrots are 1, 2, 3 and 4 over here. So we write 4 against carrot. Tomatoes are 1, 2, 3 over here. So we write 3 against tomato. Now Bubbly's mother asking some questions to her. Which vegetable is most in number? There are 5 chilies. So it is most. Now tell me which vegetable is least in number with us? There is 1 cabbage. So it least in number. So students, have you saw how Bubbly made group of vegetables and counted them? Let's see one more example. We can see that Bubbly is filling colors in the picture with different shapes. While coloring, she is thinking that can she count those different shapes and write their numbers separately? Mother asking her, "Bubbly, can you tell me which shapes are present in this picture?" This shape is a circle. This is a rectangle. This is a triangle. And this is a square. Come on, now tell me once again the names of these shapes. This shape is a circle. This is rectangle. This one is triangle. And this shape is square. Now tell me how many triangles are there in this picture? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 triangles. Well done. Now tell me how many squares are there? There is 1. There is only 1 square in this picture. Now tell me how many rectangles are there? Rectangles are 1, 2. There are 2 rectangles. Look, there are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 circles. Now tell me which shape is most in number? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles over here. So this means triangles are most. Now tell me which shape is least in number? There is only 1 square. So square shape is least in number. Bubbly's mother brought a box of stickers from bazaar. There are different colors of stickers in this. Mother told, you have to group the different colors of stickers and count them. I taught you how to count vegetables. The same way count these stickers. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 green stickers. So we have to write 5 against green stickers. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 red stickers. So we have to write 7 against red stickers. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 blue stickers. So we have to write 5 against blue stickers. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 yellow stickers. So we have to write 8 against yellow stickers. Oh wow, Bubbly! You have very well represented the different colors of stickers. Come on, now tell me which color stickers are most in number? Yellow stickers are most in number, which is 8. Mother given some more red stickers to Bubbly and told her to count this along with the stickers you already have with you. I have 7 red stickers. Mummy given 3 more stickers. Adding 3 stickers with 7 stickers, we get 8, 9 and 10. Now I have 10 red stickers. Now tell me which color stickers are the same in number? The number of green stickers and blue stickers is 5. So green and blue color stickers are the same in number. So students, today we learned how to count and represent data. I hope you understood this topic completely and properly. Now it's homework time. Observe the picture and write the answers. Hope you enjoyed today's class. Thank you.